mother told me my life would change once we're back into her hometown. And she was right, but it didn't change for the better. The nightmare was over.
Good morning, class. Before we start our lesson today, I want you all to meet your new classmate, Miss Claire Andrada, a transfer student from Las Vegas.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Claire Andrada. It's nice to meet you all. I am Teacher Aya, your homeroom teacher. Please take your seat beside me, Zyron. Zyron, please raise your hand. Nice to meet you.
That's John Vincent Castro, our Vice President, Cassandra Benaventura, our Secretary, Gia Sullivan, our Treasurer, and Zyron Fuentes, ang ating Auditor. And lastly, our Police Officer, Joanna Mendez, and Luhens Montero.
Guys, nabalitaan nyo ba? Nalilipat na daw si Teacher Aya ng school.
What? Really?
Oo, ganun. Totoo ba?
Guys, listen. Wala pa daw tayong substitute teacher, so for now, magsa-self-study muna tayo.
Gusto niyo? Ito na rin ang magsisilbing pamamaalam ko sa inyo. Pasensya na kung hindi ko sinabi sa inyo na lilipat ako. Bubunot lang kayo dito sa dala-dala kong box, lagyan nyo ng pangalan sa likod ng papel, tapos ilagay nyo dun sa kabinet ng table ko. Kapag nahulaan nyo kung para saan tong larong ito, babalik ako.
Students, attention! I have sad news to deliver. Your advisor, Teacher Aya, has died yesterday for unknown reasons. So for now, self-study muna until we can find a new advisor for you.
That day was scary to us. Nalaman namin ng Teacher Aya na nagpakita sa amin, patay na pala. We didn't have a clue about the numbers that she gave, or the clues for her game. Ang alam lang namin ay ang dating tinitirhan niya. Kaya pumunta kami sa dating orphanage kung saan siya lumaki. But only a few of us made it. Patay na si Cassandra?
Ano ba nangyayari?
Patay na sila. Halos lahat sa section natin patay na. We have to figure out what's going on bago tayo maubos.
The numbers. Sigurado ako may kinalaman ito sa pagkamatay niyo. Ano bang numbers nakuha niyo?
Ako na yata yung susunod.
Ano bang number nakuha mo?
22. Miss, ako na yata susunod sa'yo.
I got the last number.
Ayun ako.
I guess I'm the last one dying.
No one's dying. Walang mamamatay. We'll figure out what this game, this monster is playing, and we'll survive. Alright, maghiwa-hiwalay tayo. In order for us to find clues about Teacher Aya, we have to spread out.
Go in pairs. Mahirap na. Tulpan, banding naman eh. Tara na nga.
Nasaan ba kasi?
Riz, kumalma ka.
Ano ba yung clue? Nasaan ba?
Saan ba kasi?
Ito ba? Ito natin.
Gusto niyo bang maglaro? Grace, total man hindi ka nang gulat at magbiro, bakit hindi mo kami gulatin gamit ang bilang mo? Putulin mo.
Una si Cassandra, tapos si Reese at Gwyneth, at sunod-sunod na.
Ayoko na. Umuwi na tayo.
At hayaan na mamatay dahil sa wala ang mga kaibigan natin? No!
Tama siya. Pumunta tayo dito para hanapin ang dahilan sa mga pangyayari nito. And we're not going anywhere till we find out.
Our friends are all dead, Claire. Maghihintay pa ba tayo na tayo ang susunod? For goodness sake, nasa teritoryo tayo ni Teacher Aya. Mas madali niya tayong mapapatay.
At papatayin niya pa rin tayo kahit nasa sariling mga bahay tayo. Same thing.
Ano bang gusto niya sa atin? These are the only clues that we found. Nothing more.
That's my mom.
Mama ko yan.
That's my dad. But, kasama na sa Teacher Aya.
Parents are in the picture. But why?
Naalala niyo ba yung sinabi ni Teacher Aya?
She met an accident dahil sa mga kaibigan niya.
So, sinasabi mo bang magkaibigan ng mga magulang natin at saka si Teacher Aya?
But if our parents are friends, how come we never see them together?
Maybe because they don't want to. Sabi ni Mama, lumayo siya sa lugar na to because she couldn't handle the guilt of something her friends have done.
My mom used to tell me she had a friend, but a tragic thing happened to her and she died.
What if si Teacher Aya ang hindi sabihin nila? What if gustong gumanti ni Teacher Aya sa kanila by killing their children?
But why? Sabi ni Mama, aksidente ang nangyari. Bakit kailangan niya magigante? Because your mom is a lying witch.
Hindi ako ang nasa litrato kundi ang kambal ko, si Amara. Mabait siya, sobra. Na kahit binubuli siya ng mga kaibigan niya ay wala pa rin siyang reklamo. Umiiyak siya sa akin palagi dahil dun. Kaya sobrang gulat ko nang malaman na magkasundo na sila. But I knew this kind of kids, they never change. Pinatay nila si Amara ng araw na yan. Sure, only one person pushed her, but everyone knew who it was, what happened, but they did not say anything. Amara always wanted to have children, but your parents are the reason kung bakit hindi niya makakamit iyon. Tama na. Teacher Aya, please. Batay ng mga kaibigan namin. What more do you want from us?
Simple lang, ang may pag-igat ko ang kapatid ko.
Walang magagawa yung paghiganti mo. You can bring her back from the dead with your revenge.
Alam ko, but I'm mostly doing it for my satisfaction to know that your parents have lost child just like my Amara has lost the chance to have one. Masaya na ako.
Tama na sabi. Hindi ba sapat sila Cassandra? Sila Risa at Gwyneth? Sila Gia at Joanna? Si Kiara? Zara, Nook at Tostes? Hindi ba sapat?
Hindi. Dahil hindi naman silang punteriya ko kung ikaw. Demonyo ka! Demonyo ka, Aya! Alam ko, Violet. Pero anong tingin mo sa mama mo, Santo? Siya ang magtulak sa kapatid ko, Violet. Kasalanan niya lahat. Kasalanan ng magulang niya ay walang hustisya ang pagkamatay ni Amara. Kaya ngayon, I'll make your parents feel the loss that I feel, starting with you. Alexa, no!
What have I done?
She's still alive.
Alright. Let's call the authorities. Something we should have done a long time ago.
The nightmare was over. Nakulong si Teacher Aya at pinasuko ni Violet ang mommy niya sa pulisya. That way, we would all get the justice we yearned for. Agad na nagkalat ang nangyari sa section namin. But we chose to keep quiet. Knowing that we survived and we did our classmates justice, it was enough. After a year, we all moved on. Lahat kami magkakolehiyo na. We took different paths, but we supported and still checked up on each other when we have the chance.
Vincent! Hi.
How have you been?
Ayos lang naman. I had last nightmares last year. You! Balita ako nakapasa kayo sa entrance exam buhat. Para saan nga ba yun? Engineering?
Yeah. Yep. My girlfriend said, bagay daw sa akin. Ikaw, I heard law ang kukunin mo.
Yeah, another headache for me. Pero mukhang dalawang magiging sakit sa ulo mo. Your course and head.
Sige ha. Ikaw na sa una. Hilom na tanan. 1, 2, 3. Hadlok beses, dili man to si kuan good sa iya man hadlok dili man to sa gabit yung mata mo. Andre, running. Run. Asaman.
Siguyo.
Run guys.
My mom is to me.
Stop go.
Makasala ba na yung style ninyo?
Imang ako niyo pakita sa scene. Ayaw ka na.
Play.